Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of how to slay a lace front without extra baby hairs. If you have not already seen how I molded the cap down, then go ahead and check out part 1. So to me, it's easier to just go ahead and cut the lace off. I feel like when the lace is on, it just leaves room for excess lace that you don't need, and you may accidentally glue that down and can't get it up. So it's easier just to cut out the lace that you don't need and go ahead and start off with the everything already cut and molded back. So for the frontal, I do mold the frontal back after I bleach it and everything. I mold it back with foam wrap and let it dry like that. So that way when it comes to applying, the baby hairs in the front and the hairs in the front won't get stuck to the glue in the front when it's time to glue down. It just makes the process a whole lot easier. Once you cut the lace, then you are going to place where you want the frontal to be on the client's head. You get the client to hold down the sides and then you sew the back down. Do not pull and sew, just sew directly on top. And I just follow the guideline of where it's already sewn down, where I sew down the cap. Okay guys, so once you sew down the frontal, you are now going to cut off the rest of the cap. If it was like a full wig or a full lace wig or something like that, then you can keep the cap on. But since it's just a frontal, you're going to cut the rest of the cap off. Now, I included this last step in my last video, the part 1 video, but I'm just going to show it again here because it just won't flow right if I don't show it. So right here, I'm just getting a little bit of more of the Got2b glue. And you see that white part or that loose part at the front of the cap kind of sticking up and not really molded down to the forehead. You do not want to see that. You want to see it mushed inside the skin. And right here, you're going to have to use a little bit of pressure. You're going to use the rat tail part of the comb, and then you're going to mush that into the skin. As you can see, there's a big difference to when you mush it and when it's sitting there. Then you're going to dry that on warm heat and let that drop. So I like to use a cream in a powder sometimes. I use any type of cream or anything like that. Now, I do not use foundation. Reason why it's not good to use foundation, because a lot of foundations oxidizes, and you'll notice once you go outside in the sun that you'll be able to see a whole orange scalp. So just be very, very careful. So the glue that I use, the Ghost Bond glue, and I use 3 to 4 layers of the Ghost Bond glue. You're gonna put it around the rim of the cap and then spread it backwards, a little bit of forward, and a little bit to the side. But just make sure that you spread it, because if not, it won't dry the way you want it to. And then you're going to keep doing that, and once all of those layers are dry, they're going to turn clear. So as you can see, it's clear now, and I'm going to press the lace into her head. And like I said, I know it looks like a hat right now, but just bear with me, guys, bear with me. So with the comb, you're going to tap the lace into the forehead, into the glue. Do not rub the lace, do not comb it into, you're going to tap. And once I tap all the way through, I'm going to use a blow dryer and blow her edges out on warm, just to go ahead and remelt that lace onto her skin. Then I'm going to just pluck. As you can see, I'm holding down here at the front. That way the lace won't lift when I am plucking. And then after that, you're going to tie a scarf around the edges. A wrap strip is just not strong enough. You're going to need something with a cloth. You're going to need a bandana or a tight scarf and tie that tight around her edges. And then you're going to sew the rest of her hair in. Style, and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys learned a little something, and I hope you guys learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Love you guys. Bye.